Hi, this is Prakash. Welcome to the Success Nuggets or Coffee Time. I was just going through a manual. Like we all know that to get the best out of whatever you have, whether it's a gadget, your car, or anything for that matter, you always need a manual to ensure that you tweak it, you use it to the maximum so that you get the best return on investment. Yet, when it comes to the most important asset that we have, much beyond what I would call a gadget, I would call it as our mind. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. It's a famous one liner which goes, how many of us actually have tapped into the full potential of the capability of the mind that we have? Do we even know how it works? Do we know how to tweak it? Like how you would fine tune an engine to get the best out of it so that it works much better than what it is capable of. We all love to squeeze the best out of each and every gadget and investment that we make. Yet, the most important and freely given by nature or God, whatever you want to call, the power of the mind is almost unutilized for a simple reason: we don't have a manual. Have you ever heard of having a manual for using your mind? If not, this is the right time. And this is a manual which has certain basics, and you can start customizing on top of it to ensure that you get the best out of this free gadget, free powerhouse which is available with each and every one of us. Think of making your own manual. How do you issue the commands to your mind? How do you ensure that mind uses the best of its faculty yet remains in your control? The paradoxical stuff about mind is that to utilize mind, to control mind, to regulate mind, you use your mind itself. You must have seen this whenever you had a stain in your hand which came from a charcoal or something. You tend to use it you tend to clean it with kerosene or some other petroleum product. Both come from the same base source. Likewise, mind is best controlled by mind itself. There is a famous saying in Tamil which goes in its equivalence: to take a nail out, you have to use another nail. முள்ளை முள்ளால் எடுக்க வேண்டும், as they say. Likewise, go ahead, make your own manual, find your own customized way, search the internet, talk to experts, or read books. But there is a way in which you can customize and get the best out of your. If a normal motorbike, when it's fine tuned with the best of engines, the best of architecture, gets a price of 100x the normal motorbike price, some of the leading brands. Some of the best minds in the world, which attracts the best of wealth and prosperity, do so because in their own way they have found to write a manual which they diligently follow. I wish you the very best. Go ahead, write your own manual. Till we meet over coffee time next, this is Prakash signing off. Wish you the very best.